So once the extruded handle that's been laying over the cylinder has had a chance to set up a little bit, you don't want it too hard because you don't want it to crack if you decide to change its dimensions a little bit. Hold it up to your pot, see how you like it. That's a little bit long for me, so I'm going to cut a little bit of that off. It doesn't really matter which side you cut it from. I'm going to cut a little bit more, and on the front edge I'm going to cut it at an angle upward so that it meets with the spout itself. So I like that size, and so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and mark where this hits the pot with my needle tool. Set that aside. And then I'll take my scoring tool and start scoring that. So now that I've got this marked and I'm starting to score it, I can go ahead and do the rest of the scoring and attach the handle, and that's what I'll show you next.